best things about the Rion NL53 is that the data is stored in an open source format. Here you can see me opening up the data in Microsoft Notepad. If you look at the properties of the file, you can see that it has the extension .rnd, but don't be fooled, it is just a comma-separated variable file. You can take advantage of this by opening up the file in Microsoft Excel. If you open up Excel and then go to Browse, and then locate the file using the dialog box, you'll need to remember to turn the file extension to all files so that it can see the .rnd file. And when you open the file, you'll need to tell Microsoft Excel to look for the commas. And then all the data will appear column-wise and row-wise as you'd expect. No proprietary software required.